Namaste Meredos, welcome to Thai Ops Belajar di India channel. Sebelum mulai, jangan lupa subscribe dan nyalakan notifikasinya ya buat info-info menarik tentang India. Halo Meredos, gimana kabarnya? Semoga kalian sehat selalu ya. Nah, di video kali ini kita akan kembali berkolaborasi dengan Dr. Kishore dari Sankalana Talks dan kita akan melanjutkan sesi Easy Mathematics with Sita. Tanpa berlama-lama lagi, yuk kita langsung mulai aja.
So hi friends, welcome back to Sankalana Talks and Thai's UPS series of videos on Vedic mathematics. We have discussed about Ekadikena Purvena as well as Nikhilam in the previous series, and today we are going to discuss about Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. I repeat, Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. Sankalana means addition. Vyavakalanabhyam means an exercise of subtraction. So generally what happens is, for example, you have gone to a supermarket. There you are buying some toffees. There you are buying some mobile earphones. And you are buying some kind of goods necessary for you. And you know the individual price of them, but you don't know what is the total amount. So you have bought in one shop and you have gone to another shop, you brought some more goods in next shop, similar kind. But you want to find out each and every item's price. In that case, generally we write equations. Equations means 5x plus 3y is equal to some thousand. X is nothing but toffee. Y is nothing but a mobile charger or earphone. Similarly, in another shop, once again 7x minus 7y is equal to some 600. Say so, two equations are there like this, but you have to solve them. If you have to solve using general mathematics, we have to equate left hand side and right hand side with same numbers, and we have to cancel it, any one of the variable, either x or y. This is the procedure. But Vedic mathematics gives a technique for us. The technique is Sankalana, addition, Vyavakalana, subtraction. Let us see how we do this. This is what the evolution. Any kind of mathematics will give you a kind of evolution that leads to computational intelligence. For example, we know that man has come out of monkey immediately, otherwise from water, and then DNA, we have a social service number or Aadhaar number is guiding nowadays. So computational intelligence is guiding the evolution of the man. This is what I always used to say, that data processing, knowledge processing, intelligence processing, and today we are in the era of intuitive intelligence. Intuitive intelligence means, for example, one of my friend, Mr. Ravi, is thinking something. Before Ravi says out that, if I am doing it, it is intuitive intelligence. For example, Miss Nadia is thinking about something. Before Nadia do that work, if Kishore is able to do that work, that is nothing but application of intuitive intelligence. But to bridge the experimental part and theoretical part, the computational people are very, very crucial. The intuitive intelligence becomes a reality only with techniques such as intelligent algorithms, Vedic mathematics. So that is how Vedic mathematics becomes very useful and powerful. Now let us get back to this today's sutra. Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. As I was talking about a supermarket example, let us have an equation. Generally, people don't like algebra. This is called as algebra. Actually, students don't like this, solving these equations and all. Say here a big number is there, 45x. It is not even 5x. 45x minus 23y is equal to 113. 23x minus 45y is equal to 91. For a moment, think that you have to solve this. You will be scratching your head. How to solve this? So generally what we have to do, either this x variable or y variable, you have to bring the bring it into a same number and you have to cancel it, right? So that difficulty we don't have in Vedic mathematics. What it is saying? Sankalana, addition. Vyavakalana, subtraction. So how many equations are there here? 2 equations are there. Add equation 1 and 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2. You will get a simple answer. That's it. It's done. Let us see how we will do it. Now what I have done, I have taken the left hand side. Left hand side means you can see from this particular spotlight. So equation we have equal to here. This side is called as left hand side and the number side is called as right hand side. Okay. So anything which is left hand side of the equation, the variables is left hand side and the numbers are right hand side. You call this as equation. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what I am doing now, I am adding equation 1 and 2. So 45x minus 23y, this is related to first equation. Second equation what we are having, 23x minus 45y. Am I right? In first equation we have 45x minus 23y. In second equation we have 23x minus 45y. So I am adding both of them. So I have added both of them. Right hand side also I have 2 numbers. Equation 1 is having 113. Equation 2 is having 91. I have added both of them. If you want for a confirmation, I am showing you the previous one. You see this 113, 91. These 2 I am adding here. Okay. These 2 I am adding here. And what I will get, 45 plus 23 is 68. 23 plus 45 is 68. So I have 113 plus 91, 204. 68 is common here. 68 into 3 also 204. So I have taken 68 outside. So I have only x here, I have only y here. This can be written as 68 into 3. So cancel 68 on both sides. To the equation both sides we have 68. Cancel it. Then what we have? X minus y and this 3 is there. So this equation, new equation we got. Simplified equation we got. By adding Sankalana. Now what we are going to do is subtract. We subtract them. Instead of adding, now I am writing subtract. When you subtract 45x minus 23x, I got 22x. Minus 23, minus into minus plus 45. When you do it, 22y. So everywhere 22 is there. So I just take 22 common. So I left with only x here, only y here, and this 22. This 22 how we got? Because 113 and 91 we added earlier in Sankalana. In Vyavakalana we have to subtract. That is what Vedic mathematics tells, right? So here we have added, here we are subtracting. When you subtract, what you got? 22. So 22 on either side gets cancelled. So what we got? Another equation, x plus y is equal to 1. Now 2 simple equations are there. How to solve the 2 equations? Once again Vedic mathematics. Once again Sankalana, Vyavakalana. So this is equation 3, equation 4. I am adding them. So x plus x, my 2x. Minus y plus y cancels. My 3 plus 1, 4. So 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 2. This 2 is multiplying x. When it comes here, divides. So x equal to 2. So similarly, we have 2 equations, right? We are subtracting. X minus x, 0. Minus y, minus into plus minus, minus y. So minus y, 2y. But you have minus in common, so I am bringing minus here. This 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is on both sides, cancel. 2 is on both sides, you can cancel. So what you will have? Minus 2 by 2. 2 cancels, you have minus 1. So my x value is 2, my y value is minus 1. Very simple, it's done. It's very easily done. If you don't have to do like this, we have to go for a very big procedure. Right? You have to multiply 45 with another number. You have to multiply this 23 with other number. We have to cancel them. We have to equate it. We have to do a lot of big things. You see another example. I am taking another example. It's very big number. 1955x minus 476, 2482. How to solve this normally? It takes nearly 10 minutes time. But in Vedic mathematics, you can finish it in 3 minutes, less than 5 minutes. How we have to do it? Sankalana, add both of them. Vyavakalana, subtract 1 minus 2. So when I am adding, what happens? 2, 4, 3, 1 is common number. Taken common number cancels, x minus y equals to minus 1. Simple equation. And I am subtracting these two. When I subtract these two, x plus y equals to 5 I am getting. Now once again, what I will do? Once again I will do Vedic mathematics. How I will do? This is equation 3, equation 4. Now I am adding them. X, 2x, minus y cancels. Minus 1 plus 5. 5 is bigger number. 5 minus 1 is 4. So x is multiplied by 2. This side it divides. So it is 2. Now I am subtracting these two. X minus y minus of x plus y. Minus x cancels. Minus 2y. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus cancels. And 2 goes 3 times in this. So y equal to 3. Within 2 minutes I have solved x equal to 2, y equals to 3. That's it. So like this you can try all these numbers and apply Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. It's too easy. The problem which takes nearly 10 minutes, now you can happily solve by addition and subtraction within less than 3 minutes. That's all for today. Next week, we'll come up with another video on Vedic mathematics and make mathematics very, very easy. Thank you. Please subscribe TICE UPS and Sugnana Talks. And please click the bell button for the alerts. Thank you.
Thank you Dr. Kishore for your explanation. Nah, gimana Meredos? Hari ini kalian dapat sesuatu yang baru lagi bukan? Oke, sampai sini dulu ya Meredos. Dan kalau ada pertanyaan, kesan-pesan, kalian jangan lupa untuk menuliskannya di kolom komentar. Sekian dulu video kali ini dan jangan lupa ikuti terus sosial media kami. Kabi Alfida Nakina, Pirmilenge.
कभी